What's up, everybody? So we're about to go hiking. This coronavirus is getting old.
Yeah.
But before we do that, we are heading to take care of the beast. Just to get the wheel balanced because it's very, very bumpy on the highway and it's super windy out here.
Oh.
But before we do that, I'm gonna have this kid move the car. Put it over there. He thinks he's the man. Look at him. You look terrified. Why do you look terrified? Yeah, we'll get this taken care of. We're gonna give this bad boy a cold start.
Huh?
Morning.
Morning.
Ready to head out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get up, please.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yup.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's go, princess. Uh-oh. That's no good. Where are we?
Town Fair Tire.
Yeah, what are we doing here?
Dang tires?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
I just came to balance my tires.
Balance your tires.
I think so they didn't take off the old weights?
No, they didn't.
That's insane, man. I'm here at Town Fair Tire and they're taking good care of these wheels because apparently my dealership did not balance these wheels right. Hence why I had so much vibration going on down there.
Hello. Let's do this. Hi.
Hi,
What are you doing?
I'm looking at a beautiful little girl.
No, what are you doing here?
Okay. Alright.
Tell me.
We just received a call that these kids' school is now closed until April 22nd. That's a whole month from now. I am hoping that this whole thing resolves long before April 22nd because this is getting insane. And one of my kid here doesn't want school to close at all. Hey, why are you upset? I don't control school. Hello?
Dad.
You can't be so upset that school's closed. No other kid gets upset that school is closed.
Not even
Dude.
me.
Hello? Hello?
This is
Why are you so
time.
upset?
You
that
get
school
the free
is
time to
closed?
play with your Beyblades and your cars.
You miss your friends? You miss your teacher?
Aww.
Ooh, which teacher is it? Listen, with the coronavirus, right? Listen. You see how you guys are sitting here by yourself? If anyone comes up to you, you need to kick them away because they're gonna kill you.
What?
The coronavirus.
How do I kick them away?
You just gotta kick them away. You gotta say, I don't want the virus. I don't want the Rona. You got it? You got it?
You mean kick them with your shoes?
I don't know. Use whatever you can. Oh, here comes the car.
Daddy.
It's ready. Look.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. Is the corona some kind of bug?
Yes, a bad bug. Look, car's ready. Everybody pile in. Hello? Come on. You'll get Wi-Fi from the car. Nice and balanced.
Yep, got it all lined up. Wasn't that bad. It was actually just a little bit in the front.
The
Okay.
right front was sitting on the outer edge. Same with the left rear. It was right on the edge. It was actually blinking red and green. So I just
Gotcha.
centered everything up, got it all nice and straight for you. So
Sweet.
this copy's for you, and you are all set.
Awesome. Thank
All right.
you.